Happy Monday, I'm super excited. Hey Robin, how are you doing? Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing of my Sexy Biz Babe sweats that I just finished, and I'm so excited. And I'm doing a giveaway. It depends on what you guys kind of want. I actually might give away a pair of metallic or pleather leggings. So these are pretty cool. Say hey if you guys are tuning in. My name is Tia, Sexy Biz Babe. I'm a business coach and I have a clothing line, and this is a new aspect of a clothing line for my coaching, not my other clothing line. So I kind of have two clothing lines now. So say hey, how is your Monday? I have not done a public live in a long time, so I want to see who's tuning in. Okay, which one should I put on? The crop top? Let's do the crop top first. And then what's next? What do you guys want to see? The pants? Or pink pants, black pants? I'm going to start with the pink crop top because that's what you said you liked. Okay, so there's two pink crop tops, but they have different pants. So there's this one. Look how cute it is. And look, you can see it has some purple. Ah! Okay, so there's this one, and it comes with pants. All right. How cute is this? Okay, so this is a medium. This is probably the size that I would get. Yep. Trying to decide which one to keep. I'm gonna try and only keep one set. But honestly, I like them all. Okay, yay, thank you guys. Yeah, share it if you guys wanna be entered. If I hit 10, I will have one giveaway for a set. I have to have 10 shares though. Otherwise, I'm gonna give away these really awesome metallic sweats. Okay, what's next? Let's see, then black, crop top. Okay. So also, I'm gonna be doing this every week for the next 3 months. October for Halloween stuff and my sweats, and then I'm gonna be doing November and December is probably a little bit of my sweats and mostly my ugly Christmas sweaters. I've already started selling ugly Christmas sweaters in September. So, okay, let's get this going. All right, so yeah, I'd get a small in this. Oh man, I love this one, you guys. Oh, it's so comfy. Yeah, the bottoms are good. I got pretty thick legs and they still fit pretty good. Oh, isn't this one so cute? Okay, I'm gonna check if they're gonna be sticky for pull. Shorts. Yeah, okay. Okay, and it has to be 10 different shares, different people, not 10 of the same person. Boo-boo. So this one's my fave. Okay, and also if you're ready to buy a set, they're $69 for the set. And literally there's only 6 of these and 6 of the short and the top sets, not in per size. Like there's only 6 total. It's because I didn't want to go, I wanted to test this out first, okay? So if you guys are interested, drop which one you want below. I'll send you the link to buy, and then you just have your PayPal shipping updated. I'm gonna ship it right to you. But yeah, I love this one. Have any questions? These are 85% polyester and 15% cotton. Yes, awesome. Okay, cool, yay. So you can't really see the straps right now because I'm wearing a black bottoms, but oh, it's so cute. So this is a medium. Micah, you might be fine with a small if you wanted the shorts one. Hee hee hee. Yeah. And I'm gonna put the link below. I need a large top too. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, future, yeah, right now you get the same size as the bottom. It's just a set. I'm not mixing them up all up in my grill. It's gonna make it really messy. So in the future, I will be able to do like pants and tops separately, but this is my first run. And so I started with only 24 total, okay? So that's why. So this is medium. Cool. Let me see. Yes, I will let you know if you shared it right. Ugly Christmas sweater season. You guys, I have ugly Christmas sweaters in my garage. I have tons of inventory. So if you guys want to see it, drop something Christmassy below. These are the leggings I wore last year with their size small. They were with my ugly Christmas sweaters, which made it even that more fun. Nah, straight Hanukkah. Okay, think of anything that you might want to do. Dreidel, or something fun, and I can make it into an ugly Christmas sweater. If you go to staticthreads1.etsy.com, that's where I have like all my custom ones, or staticthreads.com, you can check out like a bunch of mine, just go on the Christmas sweaters. Ah, hi Bernard, hi Hillary, how are you guys doing? Okay, so if I get enough fires, I will do a trick. And you guys, I haven't been working out as much, so not as good. Okay, so this are the silver pants. Also, I sell these for 30 bucks. I'm actually raising the price, but for now it's 30. If you guys want it, that includes shipping. Eat. Looks good. This is size small. They run just normal. I would get a small in the bottoms in the silver or the gold, and they stretch out. Like, these are super stretchy. These are actually really comfortable. Bought a house, woo, that's awesome, congrats. Okay, and then the black ones, these run small. I have thick legs, so it was harder for me to put on, so I got a medium. Okay, let's see if I can climb the pole. Thank you, I love them. They actually are like, especially these silver ones, they actually are comfortable. I don't think they're sticky enough for pole, but we're gonna give it a try. There's my pole. And I'm wearing pants, so you guys can't get mad at me. Okay. All right, let's see. I mean, my legs are about this sticky. Let's see. Ooh, actually. Okay. They're not recommended for pole, but you can do it. I got some fires, so I'll do a trick. All right, I'm gonna scoot this back. Oh, and we have one more to try on. The black bottoms with the black top that are long. So let's do this real quick. Try not to wear them like too long unless I can. Oh, these ones are so comfy. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. And these you could put lower on your hips too. Oh yeah. It's kind of nice. See? If you wanted to wear them low. Oh, these are my favorite. I'm tired. Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, Micah. Thank you guys for the hearts, for the love, and share this video. And I will announce it and tag the winner. And I will, if I get enough entries, I may do the sweats giveaway and the leggings. It depends. Oh, and if you did enter, drop which one you wanted with your size, because that will take an extra step out. Okay, which one do you guys want? Drop it below. Yay! Thank you so much, you guys. Okay, well, have a great day, and the links will be in the bio, and if you guys are interested, I will message you the PayPal link, or the PayPal link will be right here. Just have everything updated. Okay, bye.